In this video, I'll guide you through how to update your VRBO email address. Keeping your contact information up to date on platforms like VRBO is crucial, whether you're managing a property or just using it for booking getaways. So let's dive in and make sure your email address is current. First, you'll want to start by heading to the VRBO website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your name or profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, select either My Profile or Account Settings. Both options will take you to the page where you can make changes to your account details. After you've navigated to your profile or account settings, you'll see a series of tabs or sections. Look for the one labeled Bin Settings. Clicking on this tab will bring up various options related to your account settings, including your personal information. Within the Settings tab, scroll until you find the section specifically for your email address. It's usually clearly labeled, making it easy to spot. Next to your current email address, you should see an option that either says Update or features a pencil icon. This icon represents the edit function, allowing you to make changes to your email details. Clicking on Update or the pencil icon will prompt a field where you can enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new email you wish to use. It's important to double check for any typos or errors, as this will be the primary way VRBO communicates with you regarding bookings, inquiries, and updates. Once you've entered your new email address, look for a confirmation button to save your changes. This might be labeled as Save or Confirm. Clicking this button will finalize the update process. Depending on VRBO's security protocols, you may be asked to verify your new email address. If so, check your new email's inbox for a verification link or code to complete the update. And that's it. You've successfully updated your VRBO email address. Remember, keeping this information current ensures you don't miss out on important notifications. If you ever need to change it again, simply follow these steps. Thanks for watching and happy travels.